We are Noble Notary and Legal Document Preparers, Florida's choice for fast, affordable mobile notaries, legal document preparation, credit repair, tax returns, and fingerprinting services. A brief synopsis of all the many things we do. Here's how we can serve you. Notarizations. In short, we are local mobile notaries public near you. We offer wedding officiant services at any venue. Apostilles done right. Priority mail to the Secretary of State, and back to you, in less than 3-week turnaround. Legal form preparation and document PDF download. We fill a need in the middle ground, assisting people who are unable or unwilling to pay steep attorney's fees, but also need some guidance about completing legal forms and finding information. Something like paralegal services. The difference is in Florida, to call oneself a paralegal, there must be under the direct supervision of an attorney. People who choose to fight their own legal battles without an attorney usually do so to save money or because they feel that their legal matter is fairly simple. Tax returns. We are credentialed TIN tax return preparers that specialize in individual 1040 filings with the most up-to-date software. We can even offer tax advances and payment out of your returns. We are certified IRS TIN preparers. Noble Tax Solutions Fingerprinting. We offer in-office and mobile fingerprint rolling. We use official FBI cards and provide 2 copies. We use inkless finger solution. We will notarize VIN verifications, deeds, loans, even provide extra witnesses if needed. Our commitment: we will notarize anything, anytime. 24/7. We offer remote online notary, RON. We prepare a variety of non-attorney legal documents under Florida pro se laws. Wills, trusts, living wills, powers of attorney, estate planning, quitclaim deeds. Most legal issues are simply a matter of paperwork. We can save you money here. We are NAR NSA certified signing agents. We are professional members of full. We prepare legal documents. We are licensed 2 to 15 insurance agents, license all lines adjusters. We are a signing service with a manageable network of personally qualified NSA notary signing agents ready to serve as well. Contractors adhere to our noble standards. We offer various unique financial services at low cost. We can advise you or refer you to a trusted advisor on Medicare, Social Security, Medicaid, retirement, DAO unemployment, and business/financial coaching. We mentor new notaries to 6-figure incomes. We have a strong and trusted network of realtors, mortgage brokers, and title agents to assist with real estate transactions at any level. We are people you definitely want to network with, as we seek to add value to every encounter and every human life.